Hi guys, what's up? Myself CA Abhishek Bansal. I'm from Mumbai and I take law and audit for both CA intermediate student and CA final students. So guys, today I'm teaching an amazing content, an amazing video which will cover approximately 4 marks of your paper, because when you study for CA intermediate law, lot of students have a confusion, sir, where is OR required, where is SR required? That is, where is ordinary resolution and where is special resolution required? Firstly, before we move further, please subscribe to the channel. Do like this video, comment and share with all your friends in the WhatsApp and Telegram group. Okay, by subscribing you'll be alerted whenever I upload more video, more revision content on this channel. Okay, and if you want any recorded content for CA intermediate law or CA intermediate audit, there's a link in the description which you can click and buy it. Okay, now so CA intermediate ka syllabus is from section number 1 to section 148, 1 to 148. Okay, you must have studied from a XYZ teacher, from whoever teacher you have studied, they must have taught you the best content. But as a student, when you summarize everything, you are confused, sir, where OR is required, where SR is required. That is where ordinary resolution is required, where special resolution is required. Sir, what is OR? What is SR? What is OR? What is SR? Means whenever the question says OR is required, that means majority of the members should give the approval. Sir, majority basically means how much? More than 50%. Okay, that means more than half. That is more than 1 by 2 should give approval. Majority more than 50%, more than half, or more than 1 by 2. All means the same. I have used different terms for the purpose of MCQ. In paper, they keep on asking, twisting the question. If your basics are clear, you can easily answer it. Now, whenever we talk about SR means, sir, special resolution. Means, sir, at least 75% is required, or I would say at least 3/4 of the members ka approval is required. So here it is more than 50%, more than 50%, more than half, more than 1 by 2. It's more than. SR may we say at least. That means basically it is basically minimum 75% required, minimum 3/4 is required. This is minimum. So this is your basics. So as a smart student, what I will do is I will remember OR, because OR ka list is very less. Whatever is left out is my SR. Common sense. I should remember OR ka list na. Leaving OR, everything else is SR. So if you know Adda, there are 4 businesses, okay, which say ordinary business. Okay, ordinary business. Ordinary business ke liye we require ordinary resolution. Sir, what is Adda? Sir, A, appointment of auditors. One more A, adoption of accounts. D, declaration of dividend. And A, appointment of directors. So it's adoption of accounts, declaration of dividend, appointment of, you can say, directors, or appointment of auditors. So this is A, this is D, this is D, this is A. Plus fixing their remuneration, This is Adda. Adoption of accounts, declaration of dividend, appointment of directors, appointment of auditors. 4 business is Adda. Adda mein always it is OR required. OR. Then ratification of cost auditor ka remuneration, commonly it is OR in practice or exams. Okay, ratification of cost auditor ka remuneration, when audit committee is there. Okay, audit committee recommends, board appoints, and members ratify, means approve it via OR. Ratification of the appointment, remuneration of the cost auditor. 5. Then acceptance of deposit from members and acceptance of deposit by eligible public. What we require? OR up to a limit. Generally we have to pass SR, but if it is up to 181C, you require OR, correct? Then reserve share capital, if you can remember this, it's not an exam content, very rare they ask reserve share capital. Very important, bonus shares, sir. So remember Adda, 4 Adda ka item. 5th, bonus shares, very important. Bonus shares ke liye people get confused. Bonus shares, the business is special. Two business. Guys, what? 2 business, order business, special business, order business, OR. Special business, OR also and SR also, correct? So business is special, but resolution is OR. Alteration of share capital. Capital clause alteration, section 61, procedure 64, OR is required, written in 64, OR is required. Then, very important, rectification of the name clause, rectification of the name clause on the direction of CG, this is that one, Reliance, same business, similar business, correct? So, 4 adda, 5 bonus shares, 6 share capital, 7th is rectification of the name, and 8th, this one, eligible public companies, up to 181C limit. Change of name when directed by ROC, it is also OR required. This is also very rare. So, if I have to say you important points from here, I would say section 16, 61, 63, then deposit up to 181C wala, then adda. This is OR required. Rest everything in the exam, I would say it is SR required. Rest everything is SR. I mean, if you want to remember, you can remember it, okay? You can remember it, okay? Now see, those only are important. If you see in the bottom, we have made a working, it says most important CA inter exam questions, OR ke liye. Same thing, section 16 alteration of share capital, bonus issue section 63, deposit up to 181C, appointment of order, appointment order ka remuneration. ठीक. Then SR में alteration हुआ, variation of shareholders का expert equity share preferential issue, 62 is right issue, reduction of share capital, buyback, removal of order, everywhere it is SR. So bonus, share capital alteration, deposits, order ka appointment is OR, rest everything is SR. Okay. So I have compiled this in a sheet. This is a sheet wherein we remember OR wala part. Just remember OR, rest everything is SR. If you have found this content very important, very useful for you guys, so do subscribe to the channel. For more such content, I'll be uploading on YouTube, wherein I'll be recalling all your concept. Though it may not be asked directly in the exam, but indirectly your concept should be very much clear. Okay. Chalo, bye guys, take care, enjoy, and follow me on Instagram and Telegram for all such more videos and content. Bye guys, take care.